Okay. So, yes, Varnika, why you are asking where are you? We are asking that. Actually, I'm in my home. Okay. So, let's get into the lesson. Okay. So, last class, what did we learn? Last class, we learned, that is yesterday, we learned if a word ends with S, X, SS, CH or SH, then to word we use ES, right? That is what we learned in our last class. So today we are going to learn a slightly different rule in singular plural. So listen carefully. Wow, super! I'm getting answers. It's Varnika, why you are sending this much messages? I saw it. Thank you, Varnika. Thank you. Okay. So listen carefully. If a noun ends in Y, okay, be careful. Listen carefully. If a noun ends in Y and there is a consonant before Y. What is a consonant? What is a consonant, my dear children? So all the letters other than the vowels are called as consonants. Am I right? Super Purnesh. Super. Super. Only Purnesh have figured out the answer. What about others? Okay. So other than A, E, I, O, U. Varnika. Good. Super. So if a noun ends in Y, be careful. And before that Y, if you have a consonant, then we change the Y and add an I and then add ES. Did you understand, my dear children? Now listen, I am explaining one more time. If a noun ends in Y and there is a consonant before Y, then we should change the Y and add IES to convert into a plural. Okay, so we are taking away Y because there is a consonant before Y. Okay, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, W, X, Y, Z, all are consonants. All the alphabets except A, E, I, O, U are consonants. Okay, so if there is a consonant before Y, then replace Y. Don't do anything to the consonant, just replace Y, take away Y and add IES in place of Y. Okay, children? No need to look at the page number now, just look at the PPT. Okay, this is actually in your textbook A. And I don't know the page number honestly, but no need to see at it now. So examples, FLY, fly. See, can you see? They have taken away the Y and they have added IES. Okay. So again, the next one, no, you don't need to write it. This is a lesson, Samriti. I'm taking lesson. You don't need to write it in the note or book. You just observe the class. This is not a homework period or writing period. If it is writing, I will tell you. Okay, this is not a writing period. Just listen to the class. Why people are asking page number? Leave it. Just listen to the class. You can't find these examples in your textbook. This is what I am teaching by myself. So it's these examples. So I think no need to refer the textbook. You can listen to the PDF, this PPT itself. Okay. So fry, the word fry. Listen, children. Don't concentrate here or there. Don't concentrate on the page number and textbooks or anything. Just concentrate on the PPT. Are you all concentrating? Are you all listening? Type yes, those who are listening the class. Yes, Rogan, Sai, Pragati, Varnika, Jaba, Roshan, Anbu, Lohit, Varshini, Nivan, Purnesh, Sai Darshan, Samriti, Mokshit, Surya, Crimson, Siddharth. Okay, so I guess everyone is actively listening the class. Please don't concentrate on something else and just listen. So the word fry ends with the letter Y, and just before Y, what is this R? Is R a vowel or a consonant? What is it? Is it a vowel or a consonant? Very good. R is a consonant. So we are taking away Y. We don't do anything to R. We want to take away Y and add, what are the letters? Come on, type. We should take away Y, and which letters we should add? Superb, superb. I-E-S. We should add I-E-S instead of Y, because there is a consonant before Y. Okay, children. Next word is candy. In this word also the same thing. The word candy ends with the letter Y. Okay. The word candy ends with the letter Y. And also before Y it has a consonant. So we will take away Y and add IES. So it becomes candies. Okay. Next word is berry. We have Y at the end of the word. Also we have a consonant before the letter Y. So we will take away Y and we will write IES so that it becomes berries. Varnika, I am unmuting now.
Okay,
Varnika? Okay,
Yes,
Varnika. Can you read the next word?
pony.
Bunny. Bunny.
Oh, bunny. B-U-N-N-Y.
What is the last letter of this word?
Y.
And what should you do if you find a consonant before the Y?
We should take the Y and add IES to it.
Very good. So what is the plural word of the noun bunny?
Bunnies.
Okay, very good, Varnika. Thank you so much. Varshini, Varshini? Varshini, I have unmuted you. Varshini, I have unmuted you. You mute yourself. Varshini, okay, okay. I'm going to call Ilan. Ilan, I have unmuted you. Ilan, now tell me, what is the next word? Ilan? Ilan? Ilan, are you there? I've unmuted you, Ilan. Ilan, say yes or no, dear. Ilan, why are you silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
didn't unmute you. Okay. Okay, Ilan. Now tell me. Okay. Ilan, tell me what is the next word that you are seeing on the screen?
Pony.
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 Okay. Oh, okay. So what is meant by pony? Do you know, Ilan?
No, ma'am.
Pony means baby horse. Okay. Have you seen a horse? Baby horse. Okay. So, pony. So what is the last letter of the word pony?
Yes.
What is it?
Y. Y.
And very good. And before Y, what is the letter? Is that a vowel or a consonant?
Consonant.
Very good. So what should we do?
Pony.
Yeah, what should we do? What should we change? Which letter?
You lost add IES.
And take away?
Y.
Very good. Thank you, Ilan. Thank you so much. Manav? Manav, I have unmuted. Manav? Manav? Bulbuli. Manav, right? Manav? Manav, are you there? Say yes or no. I have. Manav, can you talk now?
Yes, Manav, unmute your call. Can you unmute your call? Unmute your call and talk, Manav.
Manav? Okay, Manav. I don't know why he is. Okay, I will ask Lohit. Lohit, unmute your call.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the last word you are seeing on the screen?
City, ma'am.
What is the last letter of the word city?
Cities. Cities, ma'am.
No. Last letter of the word city. What is the last letter?
Y.
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 And before Y, is there a vowel or a consonant?
Consonant.
Then what should we do?
Y. IES. IES.
Yes. We should add IES, but we should take away which letter?
Y.
Yes, you're right. We should take away Y and we should add IES. So children, many of you are asking me in the chat box, ma'am, I like that. I want to read like that. But sorry children, I will randomly pick up and ask. Okay. If you ask me, ma'am, I can't come and just unmute you because I just want to do it randomly so that I can find out who are all listening. This is just a check. Okay. So everyone will is getting a chance to do at homework period, right? Okay. So Pragati is asking, ma'am, may please. So I am already know Pragati is actively listening. So I no need to check her, right? Okay. So very good children. So the last we should take away the last letter if it is Y and before Y if there is a consonant we will take away the last letter and add IES. That is one of the rules of singular and plural nouns. And children, I will just tell the meanings of this word in case you don't know the meaning. Fly means you know a fly or flying in the air. A fly like a house fly or a butterfly. Also, it means flying in the air. An aeroplane flying in the air, a bird flying in the air. Fry means we are putting some food in the oil and frying it, like KFC chicken fry or a nice banana chips fry like that, or French fries. We tell it as French fries. Okay. Then candy means small chocolate. No, it's not a chocolate. Candy is different from a chocolate technically. Candy is small, hard rock candies like candies. Chocolate will be different, which is brown in color. Berry is fruits like strawberry, blackberry, blueberry. Bunny is nothing but rabbit. Okay. Bunny is rabbit. Pony is baby horse. And city, you know, it's city. Chennai is a city. Okay? Okay, next we will move to the next rule. Listen carefully. If a noun ends in Y and there is a vowel between the Y. We in previous slide we learned what if there is a consonant between the Y, but now they are saying what if there is a vowel between the Y. If there is a vowel before the Y, then we add only S. It's very easy and simple. If you find a word with the last letter Y and just check before the Y, this is a vowel. So if there is a vowel, then just add S. It is as simple as it is. What are the vowels, children? Let me ask someone. I will ask Pragati. Yes, Pragati, I have unmuted you.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the vowels?
A, E, I, O, U.
Good. And if you find a word with the last letter Y and if you find a vowel before Y, what would you do? How to make it a plural?
I will add S.
Very good. Thank you, Pragati.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, so simple. Just add S. Okay. Let's see some examples. J. So this is a word with last letter Y and we have a vowel. before the Y. So we should add S to make it a plural. Okay. So, Ilan, I gave you a chance. Why you are asking again? Okay. So, the word is day, and you can find a vowel before the letter Y. So you will add S at the end of the word to make it a plural. Okay. Please don't send unwanted emojis, children, please. Kavya, please unmute your call. Kavya, please do it quick, my dear. Kavya? Kavya, you get ready. Next, I will come to you. First, I will ask Tanisha. I am unmuting you, Tanisha. Tanisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Tanisha, now tell me, can you read the second word for me?
Boy. Boys.
Boy. Okay, the word is boy. The singular word is boy. Actually, it is a singular noun.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the last letter of this noun?
Y.
What is the last? Y. And before the last letter, what is the letter? Is that a vowel or a consonant?
Vowel.
Vowel. So if there is a vowel between the letter Y, how can we change the word to a plural?
Vowel.
Yes? I want to change the singular word boy to a plural word. How can I change? I can see it has the last letter Y. I can see.
Ma'am, we have to add yes.
Very good, Tanisha. You have to add S at the last. Okay. Thank you, Tanisha. Samriti, please unmute your call. Kavya, you didn't unmute your call. Kavya? Kavya, Samriti, unmute your call. Kavya, come on, don't make me wait. Come on fast here, please don't take time. Are you there, Kavya? Are you listening? Come on, leave a message in my chat box. Please unmute. No, Kavya, I can't unmute you. Your option is not highlighted at all for me. I think only you can unmute yourself. Anyway, I'll check. Kavya, please click at the Q&A option so that I can unmute you. Okay, dear. Now read the third word. I have unmuted you, Kavya.
Guy.
It says, yeah, guy. So, what is the last letter of the word guy?
Y.
Y. And before Y, what is the letter? Is it a vowel or a consonant?
Vowel.
Vowel. So how can you change the word guy into a plural?
We want to add S.
Very good, Kavya. Thank you so much. Thank you, dear. Now, Samriti. I've unmuted you, Samriti. Can you read the last word?
Donkey.
Donkey. What is the last letter of the word donkey?
Y.
What is the letter that you can find before Y?
E.
Is it a vowel or a consonant?
Vowel.
Okay. Then how can you change the word donkey into a plural word?
We should add S.
Very good. Superb. Thank you, dear. Okay. So this is so simple. If you find a vowel before the letter Y, you can add S to change that singular noun into a plural noun. If the word ends with Y. Okay? So I hope you all understood and learned this slide. We will move to the next slide. This is, see, for most words that end in O, if a word ends in O, we add S. They are not telling if a word ends in O. They are telling for most words. That means not all words that end in O, we add S. There are some exceptions. We will learn it later. Means next slide. But here it says, for most words that end in O, we add S to change it into a plural. For example, piano. The last letter of the word piano is O. So for most of the words, we just add an S. Piano, pianos. Okay, it's so simple. But I will explain the example. Like zoo, zoos. Now I will call Manasa. Manasa, read the second example.
What, ma'am?
Read the second word.
Rod.
Radio. Yes.
Radios.
What is the last letter of the word radio?
O.
O. So, for a word that ends with O, most of the words, we just add S. Radio, radios. Thank you, Manasa. Rohan?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the last word?
Video.
Yes.
Videos.
What is the last letter of the word video?
O.
And if what did you do to change the singular noun video into a plural?
Videos.
Very good. Okay, thank you. You're welcome, Rohan. Let's move to the next slide. See, children, I told you for most of the words that end in O, we add S. But to some words that end in O, some words are there that ends in O, we add ES. Okay. So remember, for most of the words that end in O, we just add S. It is so simple. But some words that end in O, we add ES. Example, potato. Potato. The last letter is O. So we will add ES to make it a plural. Potatoes. Okay. So here are some examples for that rule. Let me ask Akshaya. Akshaya, can you read the first word? Super precisely, Nikesh. Super. Can you read it?
Mango. Mangoes.
Okay. What is the last letter of the word mango?
O.
And what did we add to make the singular noun mango into a plural?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, dear. Now I'm gonna call Purnesh. Purnesh, click at Q&A option. Yes, Purnesh, read the second example. What is the second one?
Tomato.
Second, can you read?
Tomato.
Tomato.
T-O-M-A-T-O.
What is the last letter?
O.
And what did you do to change it into a plural?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Yes. So what is the word now? Plural word.
Tomatoes.
Okay. Very good, Purnesh. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
So the singular word, singular noun is tomato. The plural is tomatoes. We just add es at the end of the word. And I want to ask next one. Fazia, please click at Q&A option, Fazia. Fazia. Okay, Sai Mokshit also didn't answer, right? Sai Mokshit, can you read
Yes, ma'am.
the next word? Yeah, please read the next word.
Tomato.
That's already read. The next word. Hero.
H-E-R-O. Hero. We have to
Oh,
add E-S.
okay. Very good. To make the word hero into a plural, we add es. Superb. Thank you, Sai Mokshit. Okay,
Thank
next.
you.
Fazia. I have unmuted you.
Yes, ma'am.
Fazia, read the last word.
Echo.
What is the last letter of the word echo?
O.
O. So to convert echo into a plural, what will you do?
I add. Yes, ma'am.
No. You add
I add
only
es.
s. Very good. You add es. Superb. Thank you, Fazia. So children, I hope you understood all the concepts today. Just go through it in your textbook. It is in your textbook A in chapter 2. Okay, Sai Darshan. See children, if you don't get a chance to read, please don't feel bad. Everyone will get a chance to read in your homework session. Okay. During class, I can't assure that everyone will get a chance. If you can ask me in homework section, everyone will sure get a chance. Okay, I can't see your name. Okay. Okay. Anyways, the class is over. Just try to keep these rules in mind. Once again, I'll tell very fast. So if there is a Y and you find a consonant before Y, you add IES. And if there is a Y and there is a vowel before the Y, you just add S. If there is a O, mostly for the word that ends with O becomes plural by adding S. But some words will change into a plural by adding ES for those words which ends with O. Okay. That's all for today's class, children. Thank you. Haripriya ma'am, do you want to take attendance?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Okay, ma'am. Okay, children. So I hope you all understood the singular and plural concepts. So let's quickly move on to the attendance, okay? Okay, now I request everyone to mute your call. Let's quickly finish off the attendance. Wait a minute, dear. I request everyone to mute your call. Come on. Mute your call, dear. Ranav.
Bye, ma'am.
Wait, Ranav. Give your attendance and go. Okay. Okay, dear. Thank you so much. So, Adrita.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Adrita. Once you gave your attendance, you can leave. And today, you will be having your homework session in English. Okay, so you will be having your English homework session. So you will be having by 3 o'clock. Okay, so please come and join and finish off your homework. Aksha Vijay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Aksha, thank you. Akshaya. Okay, Akshaya. Sai Mokshit. Bye, dear. Sai Mokshit.
Yes, ma'am. What is
Okay,
another
Sai.
class time, ma'am?
Yeah, you will be joining by 11:20 and it's a math period, okay? Okay, dear. Crimson.
Yes, ma'am.
Crim
Present, ma'am.
Yeah, Crimson. Yeah, okay, Crimson. Ilamadi, are you there in the line?
Bye,
Okay.
ma'am.
Bye, Crimson.
Ma'am.
Ilan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ilan. Fazia? Fazia first?
Ma'am.
Fazia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Fazia, thank you. Siddharth? Siddharth, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, Siddharth. Mokshit Surya?
Me, ma'am.
Wait a minute, Jonas. Mokshit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, Mokshit. Jonas?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, Jonas, thank you. Okay, Jonas. Kavya?
Yes, ma'am. That's ma'am.
Okay, Kavya. Lakshya?
Yes, ma'am. And me, ma'am.
Okay, Lakshya. Wait, Sai Darshan. Lohit? Lohit, are you there in the line? Okay. Manasa?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Manasa, thank you. Nivan?
Ma'am, can I leave?
Yeah, you can leave, Manasa, thank you. Nivan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, Nivan. Punish?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Purnesh. Pragati?
Yes,
Pragati?
ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
Pragati. Yeah, thank you.
Bye,
Ranav?
ma'am.
Bye, Pragati. Have a great day. Ranav? Ranav
Yes, ma'am.
Senapati? Ranav? Okay, Ranav, thank you. Rohan? Rohan?
Ma'am, listen, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, Rohan. Roshan Ram? Yeah, I can see you, Roshan. Thank you. Sai Srinikesh?
Ma'am.
Sai Srinikesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, Sai, thank you. Samriti?
Yes, ma'am.
Samriti?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, Sam. Sandhya? Tanisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Tanisha. Varnika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Varnika.
Ma'am, can
Varshini? Yeah, Varnika, you can leave. Varshini? Okay. Sai Darshan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sai. Manav? Manav, are you there?
Ma'am, can you leave, ma'am?
Yeah, you can leave, dear. Okay, Raghuveer, are you there in the line?
Yes, ma'am. Manav, yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, Manav. Okay, thank you, Manav. Okay, so, yeah, okay. So, thank you for your time. Let's see in next class, okay? By 11:20, you will be having your math. Yeah, ma'am?
You are posted that assessment, right?
English
English assessment.
ma'am.
In which subject you're asking? You're asking for English?
Yeah, ma'am, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, wait a minute. Amrita, ma'am? Amrita, ma'am? Are you there, ma'am? Amrita, ma'am? Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am?
Actually, they are asking for the page number, ma'am.
Page number. Okay, ma'am. Sorry, my
Yeah, ma'am.
system got headphone was suddenly not working. Now only it got corrected. Please be in
Okay,
line
ma'am.
and tell the.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, it's in page number 64 and 65.
64 and 65 in the textbook, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Textbook 8.
So we should complete and submit it, right?
No. This today we don't have to write any textbook exercises. This is just
No,
class.
ma'am. Actually, I'm asking for internal assessment, ma'am. About internal.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Internal assessment. there is an oral session which I have posted in the Google Classroom. There is an oral, there is a story. You have to listen to the story. The story will be repeated 2 times. Just listen to the story, and a Google Form link will be attached along with the story.
Okay.
So just finish the Google Form. Hear the oral story and finish the Google Form.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Thank
Due
you.
date
So
is
much.
tomorrow, right?
No, today itself. Today midnight 12 o'clock. You have given time till 12 o'clock. Today midnight 12 o'clock.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. So let's see by the next class by 11:20 in your math class. Okay. Catch you there. Okay. Bye bye. Have a great day.